Yeah. So, hello everyone. I am Dhruman Gohil. I'm a third year mechanical engineering student at KJ Somaiya College, Mumbai, and also I'm the founder of Nurturing Lives NGO that was started by me in the first year of engineering on 1st of November 2018 with an aim to help people in orphanages and old age home, and also aim to spread awareness among teenagers to empathize the problems of people in orphanage because it is very important. So I've added one point: trust yourself, daily tell yourself, I am the best and I can do it. Because I think that if you start something new and if you are really passionate about something, there will be some times when things are not going in the right direction. So at that time, your confidence, your trust will help you to sustain yourself. So also, this is one quote I always tell, and as a tagline of my NGO, helping someone is not a social cause; it's a responsibility as a teenager. Yeah. So these are the roles and responsibilities of last 2 years. First is founded nurturing lives in the first year of engineering. Second, part of college itself since 2 years. In the first year, I was a volunteer. In the second year, I was a joint public relation officer. And in the third year, I am currently the campus company head. So I'm the part of itself since 3 years. Third is my logistics coordinator, Hult Prize. Hult Prize is basically international level B plan competition. And also I hosted the on-campus finale. Fourth is a mentor of two campus companies. Campus companies basically the term in our college. The company started by the students and for the students. So I helped to campus companies in their initial stages. Fifth, I was a ambassador of IIT Bombay of their eCell e-summit. I'm the HBR member, Harvard Business Review Community basically. And next point is three internships on research tech in supply chain management. And next point is working on my startup in 6 months. So I would like to add one story. I was working on my startup since January and February, and March was the execution period. But because of COVID, I had to take a pause. So I was very depressed in the beginning stages. But I realized that instead of being depressed and doing nothing, let's do productive and upskill myself. So I started doing some technical and non-technical courses. I did some courses of digital manufacturing. So once I started doing a couple of courses on digital manufacturing, I approached one college professor and I told her that I have such skills. So do you have any opportunity? So she told that help me in my PhD thesis. So she was not confident about me, and on the very first day, I told her that I will give my best. And but she was not still sure because she has with many students like me, right, in the couple of years. So on the first day I told, and it was a basically 15 days project, and I completed that project in the 10 days. I helped in a PhD thesis, and on the 11th day she offered me one more technical internship as a co-author. So me and my ma'am wrote a very good publication research paper, and we have submitted for publication in a reputed journal called Emerald. So last one is took 10 brainstorming sessions on entrepreneurship. Basically, I was in ESL, right? So I was taking brainstorming sessions on idea generation of a startup, idea validation, such things. So this is I will mainly focus on nurturing life journey because I learned a lot through that journey. So in the initial stages, I still remember the date on 28th of October 2018. I had an idea of starting an NGO. At that point, I never thought that it will become so huge after 2 years. So it's been 1.10 years. So I floated a message in my class group and told my friends to come on the playground, and I pitched in front of them. And the initial stages situation was like everyone was telling that you start the NGO, we will help you. And in the next 2 months, very less people were there to help me. So yeah, but I was very passionate, so I was continuing it. So after 3 months, I gave a speech in front of 200 students, basically college fest. There is an organizing committee meeting. So on after that speech, I got the fundings of, and that time we were not registered also. I Everyone was giving me the funds on the basis of trust. So on the basis of that speech in front of 200 students, I got the funds of rupees 20,000 for my NGO, and that 20,000 lasted for almost 7 months. So that was a turning point for my journey. After 8 months, we got registered as a campus company. We started giving internship to our students. And in the last 1.9 years, almost 100 plus volunteers and 20 plus interns have worked with us. And before 3 months, we got registered as MSME in a social company sector. And last month, we expanded in Pune. And in next month, we are going to expand in Ahmedabad also. And many more projects, collaboration, expansion plans are lined up. We are soon going to launch our media partner. So this was basically my nurturing the journey, which I started from a very scratch, and now I think it is going very good. So these are my basic observation and learnings. Consistency and genuine interest matters because, as I told, there will be a point when things will not go in a right direction. So at that time, your consistency and your interest towards that work will help you to sustain yourself on a longer run. Second point is, don't let anyone distract you to follow your dream. So yeah, one thing I want to tell, I have never told this to anyone, not to my friends, families, and relatives also. People think that everyone appreciate me because of starting NGO at a small age, but I want to tell that I have faced enough number of negativities as well. Because as people say, if अच्छा करने जा रहे हो तो खराब को भी face करना ही पड़ेगा. So I faced enough number of negativities in that journey, but distracting me was almost next to impossible because I was very much attached to this NGO. Third is maturity comes with journey. I added this point because as I told that people say negative. So what happened was in the first year, if people used to say negative now, I used to respond in a bad way, or I used to be very angry, I used to start fighting. But as journey goes on, and now if someone tells negative, then my only answer is thanks for a suggestion. If you give me the funds, I'm ready to show you the accounts. And if you are not given the funds, I think I'm not answerable to you. So this maturity I have realized in myself. So next point is be ready for failure and proud of it. Failing is very important, I think, because if you not fail, you don't get the aspect to be considered to take your next decision correctly.
Correct. Dhruman Darshan here.
Yes, sir.
I think we can see a treasure inside you, and we can see if we can go through your complete presentation.
Yes, sir. I will end in 2 minutes.
Yeah, it will take a lot of time, but just summarize it quickly, and then I would like to ask. I'm eager to ask you so many questions.
Yeah, sure, sir. And I have written being honest and humble. So being humble is very important because whenever I work with head volunteers, there are 4 of my friends who are the head volunteers of the organization. So I always write a big appreciation message to them every month. I know they don't require, they are my friends, but appreciation leads to motivation and motivation leads to action. This is my belief. So this is my NGO's page, website. I've interacted with lots of orphanage kids. I've interacted with lots of old age people. So these are the personal message to students. Don't underestimate yourself, because once you start underestimating yourself, you will get a limit to your potential. So second is never compare yourself. Mahendra Singh Dhoni won't compare himself with Arjit Singh, right? Everyone has their own dreams. Third is run behind your dreams and interests as soon as possible, because that is a very unique experience. Some people might say that if you wanted to start the NGO, you would start after graduating. But I started very early, and I have faced so many amazing experiences. My fourth point is enjoy your college life. I want to say that everyone says that you have lots of roles and responsibilities, but I want to say that I'm not a nerdy person. I enjoy with my friends. I have a group of 20 friends. They always support me. My fifth point is plan for long term. Planning for long term helps you to take the decision now. Means, for example, if you are planning for MBA, so and if you are an engineering student, so doing an engineering internship is useless. So if you are planning for MBA, start internships in marketing domain, HR domain, PR domain. Last point is start networking. As I started networking on LinkedIn in March, and at that time I had 180 followers. I started being active on LinkedIn. At now I have 4,000 plus followers. I know it's not much, but it's a very less period. Right? So last point is vision contributing towards society. You can read this point, but I want to tell one thing, that it is very important for teenagers to understand the value of social work, because it is the time you need to inculcate the value of social work. Because once you go in the corporate, you won't get time to focus on such things, right? So this was my short presentation on view on contributing towards society, and also that helping someone is a very amazing experience. And also one last tagline. It is a very big tagline. I don't think I'm enough qualified to say that tagline, but Darshan sir will agree with me on that. Value of respect is much more than value of money. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks a lot, Dhruman. So big applause, because you and me, I think we are matching, exactly with each other on several of the attributes. Your vision is very clear on helping others. There are several things which you have faced and which we are also facing. You have started at very early age. I have also started at very early age. Now I would like to pinpointedly tell you, do you get time for entertainment if you are doing so many things?
Yes, sir, definitely. I do take out my time for entertainment, because there are many friends of mine we have a very, very good connection in my college. So I do take out time for internet because that is also very important, right? After
Okay.
I graduate, I won't get time.
And which is the last movie you have seen?
Uh,
So if you have to recall, means you are not entertaining yourself in at least
means
movie
I don't
domain.
watch movie on mobiles much, but when I last watched movie of Dream Girl before lockdown started. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So I would like to, pass the spotlight to uh, our another moderator, Pankaj, and let him, ask you a couple of questions.
Sure, sure.
Hi, I think it was really great. It was very fascinating for me, to see your achievements and the things you have achieved in short span of time. So I want to tell you, like, you're already doing great, and you're already ahead in like many like who are at your league. Because when I
Yeah.
remember, my childhood or my life when I was there at your place, I didn't have like 2% of what you have already have. So like I really appreciate, but there is one or two things which I have like if somebody would have told me like that I'm
Yeah.
going to share with you one thing
Yeah.
like I have come from army. I follow a lot of army stuff so have a haircut I think if you have observed you 10
Yeah. Yeah.
times you just like did
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
So basically like I'm not like I hope you don't mind, right? I'm just sharing my
Yeah.
honest
No, no.
feedback
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Sure.
whosoever is listening.
Now, I think this
So
is maybe Corona effect, or because of
yeah,
COVID,
yeah.
he may not be going out of home.
Yeah, but I'm just telling you like because
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
somewhere down the line our attention we
Mhm.
all
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
always generate some amount of attention and some
Yeah.
amount of energy, so that you
Yeah.
need
Yeah.
to like you need to measure because I measure my energy, how much energy I have and where I'm putting. So if you
Yeah. Right.
just want to focus on your things which you are doing, that's like you really need to conserve your energy, right? And the
Right.
second
Right.
thing I want to ask you like with regards to you gave a speech to 300 students, right? So on which
Yeah.
subject you spoke about?
Yeah. So at that time, before giving the speech, before 1 month only, I started the NGO. So our 2 events were done. So I gave a speech on the base for our third event. So for that third event, people gave us the donations.
Okay.
It
No, no,
was a
I'm
little
asking like on
motivation
it was on
speech.
which subject? Motivation, like on what stuff you talked about?
That I started an NGO. Why I started the NGO? What are my future plans? And what will the transparency if you give me the funds? And I will transfer that as daily essentials in orphanages. So basically, that was a little bit motivation speech for everyone that I started an NGO because at that time PR was very important, right?
Right, right, right.